Quit. Quit.
Gosh, damn.
Stop. Stop that. No. Yeah.
Aaron's giving me a little bit of attitude today, and I'm not going to stand here for it.
You are fucking, you bloody,
You bloody bastard bitch!
you bastard, you!
You want to try some lemon? Well, hey, why you do that to him?
Emmanuel, don't do it! Emmanuel! Don't do it.
Oh, he got you again, didn't he? He got you. Oh my God.
That's why they're deadly.